Welcome to another video from Trader Stream. My name is Mohsin. Guys, today we will be talking about Forex. So can we trade Forex legally in India? So that was a question that I got from some of the subscribers, and a lot of people wanted to know if they want to trade Forex, because some of traders do analyze zones and trading strategies, and they get a lot of opportunities on Forex. So is trading Forex legal in India? Is there an option that we can trade in Forex in India? Well, a lot of people they do not know about this, because majority of the people are busy trading stocks and commodities. So not much of the people are aware that how we can still leverage and trade in Forex in India with a very minimal capital. So you would not believe the capital that is required to trade in Forex is as minimum as 500 to 2000 rupees. So I will tell you what are the list of brokers who give you an option to trade in Forex legally in India, and which are the exchanges in India that you can trade legally in Forex. So if you are not sure about one of the reason why, apart from the base currency of rupee, we also have cross currency. Let's check what are the pair of currencies that are available to trade. So this is the NSE website. So if you can actually look at this, we have USD INR, so which is the dollar INR, Euro INR. We also have global British pound INR, JPY INR, which is the Japanese yen and INR. But we also have a cross currency pair. Not sure if people have noticed it. We have Euro USD that we can trade on NSE. We can also trade GBP USD, which is global British pound USD, and USD JPY. So these are the cross currency pairs that are available. The three cross currency pairs that are available in NSE are Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. Now, what are the brokers that provide you an opportunity to trade? Because Zerodha, I have checked, they do not have option for you to trade in cross currency pairs. However, you can actually trade in the base currency, which is USD INR, Euro INR, GBP INR, and JPY INR. So the cross currency pair is not available on Zerodha. It is available on Fires. So let's go ahead and check. So not sure if any of you guys have the account with Fires, because Fires has a beautiful terminal which is integrated with TradingView, so which makes it easier for us to analyze. So if you can actually look at it, we also have these pairs available that we can trade. See, Euro INR we have, Euro USD also we have. We also have GBP INR and GBP USD. GBP is global British pound, and we also have GBP USD available to be traded. We also have JPY INR and JPY USD JPY as well available to be traded. So why do we like cross currency pairs? What is the reason that we like cross currency pairs? Now, one of the beautiful aspect about trading on this any of the currency pairs is the margin requirement is very less. So if you can actually look at it, I am on the margin calculator of Fires. So margin required is as low as 470 or 500 rupees on an intraday basis. You can take any of the cross currency pairs and trade with as less capital as 500 to 2000 rupees. So that is the capital that is required for you to trade in any of the currency that are available on NSE. So NSE has the option for you to trade on base currency and cross currency pairs. Now, why do we like it? Now, one of the reason we like most on the cross currency pairs is because you can analyze the zones and all other aspects on the international market. You can analyze the zones on USD JPY, GBP USD, and all of the cross currencies, and see how they are performing on international level. And next day you can come morning, because the NSE currency trading hours are between 9 to 5. So from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock is the open window for you to trade on the currency pairs. So you can look at the charts and you can come and punch and execute the orders in the morning on the NSE. Now, NSE has the futures and options both. So my suggestions is future does have the liquidity, but options do not have the liquidity on the cross currency. However, on the base currency I have seen liquidity on the options as well, especially on USD INR, GBP INR and so on, but I haven't seen much of the liquidity on the cross currency pairs on options. So I would suggest, if you're trading on options, be a little careful, because you don't want to get stuck, because if there is no liquidity, in options it will be very difficult for us to enter and exit. So however, on the futures you can still go ahead and trade. So Fires provides you that opportunity, and you can also go ahead and get the zones here on the international market. We will be posting information on the zones and the trading strategy on how you can trade on currency on a day-to-day basis, hassle free, with a very less capital. So we would have a follow-up video coming in very soon. So until then, this is Mohsen signing off from TraderStream. We also have a webinar, so I just forgot to mention that we also have a free webinar which would talk about the myths of stock markets and how trading and what aspect of emotional and what qualities that the trader should have. So we have a webinar on Saturday, 7th of December at 11 a.m. So you can go to our website, which is called traderstream.com, and register for the webinar. It is called traderstream.com. So go to the traderstream.com. I would suggest you to open the traderstream.com, go to a free webinar section and register for the webinar. So all people who register for the webinar would also get in some important tools and trading strategies coming in very soon. So until then, this is Mohsen signing off from TraderStream. Have a nice day.